evening, especially those at the other side of the world. There is no time and space between us. There is only this present moment, and we are one. We continue with reading from the diary of Saint Faustina Kowalska. We are on diary entry number 890 on the fourth part of this very long entry about love. So let's go and read the fourth installment. She is not troubled if after some time something turns out to be less successful. She remains calm because at the time of the action, she had done what was in her power. When it happens that the living presence of God, which she enjoys almost constantly, leaves her, she then tries to continue living in lively faith. Hindi siya nababalisa kung pagkatapos ng ilang panahon, hindi gasinong matagumpay ang mga bagay-bagay. Nananatili siyang payapa sapagkat sa panahon ng kanyang pagkilos, ginawa niya ang lahat ng kanyang makakaya. Kung mangyari na lisanin siya ng buhay na presensya ng Diyos na madalas niyang ikinagagalak, magpapatuloy siyang mabuhay ng may masiglang pananampalataya. Alright. Again, this is the continuation of the love aspect or the love story, which is clearly stated or related by Saint Faustina in this diary entry 890. If the soul, after some time, something turns out to be less successful, so it always, or maybe sometimes, it sometimes happens na yung mga gusto nating mangyari ay hindi nangyayari. Hindi maganda or not 100% as expected or as we wanted or as we desired. Pero sabi niya, hindi naman siya nalulungkot kapag hindi nangyari yung gusto talagang mangyari ng isang kaluluwa. For example, Faustina, in all her efforts, tried to have the image of the Divine Mercy painted the way she saw Jesus. So, iniyakan niya, she cried after seeing, after several revisions of the image, hindi pa rin talaga siya masaya. At yung final, yung final output of the painting painted by Eugene Kazimierowski, hindi talaga niya nagustuhan. And she cried and cried and cried. But what did Jesus tell her? Not in the brush, nor in the color, nor in the stroke, Hindi doon manggagaling ang biyaya, kundi doon sa imahe mismo. So kahit anong itsura ng image, as long as the basic elements are there, the grace will flow from that image. So parang ang punto lang dito, hindi ba nakamit, hindi ba naging maayos? Imagine after 3 years, tsaka napinta ang image, and she almost maraming times, many times did she say ayaw na niya, parang Jesus, bigay mo na to sa iba, hindi ko ito magagawa, So after all her efforts, talagang may supervision pa siya, hindi niya nagustuhan yung nangyari. But yun nga, ang point dito, kung hindi man mag-turn out to be very 100% successful yung plano mo, don't be sad. Kasi ang mahalaga dito, sa umpisa pa lang, binigay mo na. Sa umpisa pa lang, nung nangangarap ka pa lang, nung dinidream mo pa lang yan, nung binivisualize mo pa lang ang plano mo, ang ganda-ganda, And then you really did all your best, Kaya lang, syempre talagang laging may mga pagkukulang. Nothing is perfect talaga, Sa lahat ng mga planong ginagawa natin sa buhay, wala naman talagang 100% okay na. Along the way, may mga sumusulpot na mga problema, challenges, may mga bagay na hindi tayo maintindihan, at may mga bagay na nagkakamali tayo ng adjustment, nagkakamali tayo ng reaction, or kung paano natin tinutugunan yung mga sumusulpot na mga challenges. But the more important thing is that we did our best from the start, and that is love. Meron ka ng passion doon sa bagay na yun, doon sa gusto mong gawin. Yun yung mas mahalaga sa Panginoon. Yung positive or pure intention. So, may mga pagkukulang man, may mga weaknesses, no? May mga pagkakamali, it's alright. Wag na tayong mag-dwell. Let us not dwell on the weaknesses, but on the overall result ng plano natin, no? And then sabi pa niya, no? When it happens that the living presence of God, which she enjoys most constantly, leaves her, no? At pag dumating naman daw sa punto na it happens, no? Parang hindi mo ma-feel ang Diyos, no? Yung parang wala siya, parang iniiwan niya tayo. It will happen, especially those in the path, no? Si Faustina, 18 months niyang naramdaman yan. Hirap na hirap siya. There was intense pain, there was intense struggle, no? Talagang, yung tawag niya, ang tawag dito ay spiritual dryness, no? So, despite all of those, ang sabi niya, the soul, no? She then tries to continue living in lively faith, no? Mahirap, no? Kasi, malungkot ka na nga depressed ka na nga, may spiritual dryness, no? Parang, paano ka pa magsasaya, no? Paano mo pa ipakikita yung pagmamahal mo sa kapwa, sa Diyos, no? When you are experiencing those things, no? But then, the soul has to move on. The soul has to pursue. The soul has to move on. Go on. So, that is on the fourth installment of Diary Entry 890. Meron pa tayong isa bukas, no? The last part of this diary entry. Until tomorrow.